Sometimes in our daily lives, we try to find truth values, or also known as logical values. Let me give you some examples. Imagine that it is a midnight and you are asking yourself a question. Is the post office open? I'm sure your answer would be no. Or you can ask the same question as, is the post office closed? Your answer would be yes, because it is midnight and usually post office don't run that late. So answer of your question was either yes or a no. And based on that answer, you will make a decision either to leave your home or to stay at home. We have seen two kinds of Python data types so far, numbers and string. Another type is bool, which is used to represent the values true and false. Bool is an abbreviation of Boolean. We can assign Boolean values like this. Grass is green equals to true. Grass is blue equals to false. It is not very useful on its own though. We can use comparison operators like less than and greater than to compare values and produce a Boolean result. Here, 50 is not greater than 60, so printing the result provides the Boolean false. We have seen common use of bool values in Excel using if statements. If A is greater than B is true, then perform some operations. If it is false, then do something else. Here you can see a full list of comparison operator in Python. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. I would like to mention here that in Python, single equal is different to double equal sign. The single equal is used for assignment. For example, when we assign a value to a variable x is 60, where double equal sign are for comparison. Let's understand this by an example. We have assigned a value 60 to variable x. X is now 60. Now let's create another variable y and assign a value 50. Now let's compare. Is x equal to y? Answer is false. 60 and 50 are not equal. And now let's test if x is not equal to y by using an exclamation point. The answer is true, as expected.